we're going to calculate this limit as x approaches 3 of f of x, being f of x the absolute value of x minus 3 divided by x minus 3. If you think you can do it, stop the video now and the next continue to see if we have the same result. One way you can think about it is when we have the absolute value, we can know, well, we know this. If x is greater than 3, it doesn't matter the absolute value because in this number x minus 3 is always going to be positive. So we can say that f of x is equal to, we could remove this negative sign for values greater than 3. So we would have x minus 3 divided by x minus 3 for values greater than 3, actually greater or equal to 3. And for values below 3, we have if x is, let's say, 1 minus 3 is minus 2, absolute value is 2. So we can remove the absolute value and put a negative sign. We would say minus x minus 3 divided by x minus 3. So now let's say that x is equal to minus 4. Minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7. Absolute value 7. Here, minus 4 minus 3 minus 7 times minus is times minus 1 is 7. So we rearrange f of x being minus x minus 3 divided by x minus 3 for values lesser than 3, and x minus 3 divided by x minus 3 for values greater than 3. So f of x is equal to negative 1 for values smaller than 3 and 1 for values greater than or equal to 3. Now, what's the limit? As x approaches 3, the limit from the right is 1, and the limit from the left is minus 1. So in this case, this function doesn't have a limit as x approaches negative 3. As x approaches 3, there is the limit as x approaches 3 from the right and from the left, but because these limits are different, the limit as x approaches 3 of f of x doesn't exist.